course, I have to change the forks on these. Why it's so uneven. There's 3 on each side. Oh, because that fork is in. I think I better put all these on one pallet. There's no reason for them to be on multiple pallets. I don't think I'm going to be moving them anytime soon, so no reason these can't be put on there too, I guess. Actually, they could probably go in that rack over there. Yeah, I think they could probably go in that rack. You know, metal rack. Yeah, let's do that. I think we're in pretty good shape. I think we'll just stack them stakes in there and be done with it. I think this is fine there. Landry and I are up here replacing these rails that had broke. He's securing the rails that we put in, and then he'll come back and staple in the fence. That's what he's working on now. We've got some down below that we have to put in. So I'm going to go see if I can find some to put in there. It fit? So you want to get right up near the wood. You want to start it when you're not up on. You want me to do it first, and then you watch me. You got it. Pretty cool. And then wherever that landed, it's going to be hot. So probably let it set, and then come back and get it. All right, we're just cutting off the screws that we had to put in to secure these rails. So that's what Landry's doing. Landry's back out here today helping us. So thanks, Landry, again. See one?
Parked in front of the garage down there. Battery was a little low.
Was it?
But he's in it.
Oh, okay. Cool. We're taking these boards down to the barn. I think I'm going to try to sell them. I was only able to salvage about 3 of them at most. Probably need to look at this a little bit closer. But we're going to take them down there. I know we are all over the place today, but that's just part of it. These are coming down here to be a border. Smush the plant there. There. Yeah, that's going to take some work. Yeah, on that side. these out here for now. All right, we're putting wood chips over here along this row, landscape timbers we put in, and she's got a rock that she's putting around the pool over there, or not the pool, the hot tub over there. So, and I just cut one of those landscape timbers. So that's what we're working on. Are we done with this saw? I guess if this fits. Oh, there you go. Need more rock? You got enough rock? Oh yeah, you got enough. Okay, I'm gonna take the saw back. Okay, I am sure this video is getting long, so I think we're gonna wrap this video up. We got quite a bit of what we wanted to get done today. We got the RV moved into the barn, so that was good. We started on this area down here. We're going to be putting wood chips in here. Ann's putting some rock there around the hot tub, and we did get that one burn pile burned over there and made a little bit of progress on the wood shed up there. So all in all, we did good. I am going to go edit a video and try to get one out ready for you for Tuesday. But I think this is where we're going to end this video. I'm sure it's getting pretty long. So, but thanks for coming and watching. Please take the time to share, and please comment down there. Comment below if you don't mind. Y'all have a good evening, and we'll catch you on the next video. Take care. So I wanted to circle back on this project that we've been working on out here, and in this video too. It's actually been a couple of days later, but I want to show you the finished project that we got down here. It ends up looking pretty good, so hang tight. So this is the area just to the left of the garage, and that's that fence that we put up there and the rock that we put down here the other day, and the sidewalk and the landscape timbers we put there, and here's all the mulch that we put in there. That all looks good. Behind the fence looks good. We got new caps for the posts there on both sides. That turned out good. But we like the wood chips much better. The landscape timbers turned out good. These rails, Landry helped us out with those. And the ones we put in back here, those fit in there good. And then the rock around the hot tub here. And got that put in. That all looks good. I do have electrical wire in there. It's not hooked up. It's actually went up to the bank barn at one point. I wish I knew where it was down here. I mean, here it is, but it's not tied in anything. I'd almost like to have it tied in. I may try to figure it out. That's why I haven't removed it. So it's just laying here, and then it's up there up the hill. So anyway, I wanted to wrap this video up here, but this is how this all turned out. I do plan on painting the bottom of the hot tub here. It's got some rust stains on it. We like to get that fixed, and I asked them about painting it, and they said we could. So that's a paintable surface, in other words. Anyway, the rock looks good. The mulch looks good. Everything looks good here. So I just kind of want to wrap this video up. I know it's gotten long. Thanks for continuing to come back and watching Rolling Country Outdoors.